Have you ever tried upper back pain relief exercises only to feel worse afterward? Maybe you followed a video online, hoping it would help, but ended up frustrated because the pain didn't go away, or even got worse. If that sounds familiar, you're not alone. In fact, many people who are new to back pain exercises make the same mistakes without realizing it. These small errors can slow down your healing, increase discomfort, or even cause new problems. But here's the good news. Once you know what to avoid, you can start doing exercises the right way and actually feel better, faster. So stick with us, because we're going to break down the top 7 beginner mistakes people make when trying to relieve upper back pain. Fixing even one of these could make a huge difference in your recovery. And mistake number 4? Most people don't even realize they're doing it. Before we dive in, a quick note. We've seen a lot of people watching our videos and leaving comments saying they've found the information helpful. But here's something surprising. 98.2% of viewers haven't subscribed yet. If you've learned something new, or feel like this is helping you understand your back pain better, subscribing won't cost you anything. But for us, it means a lot. It motivates us to keep researching, creating, and sharing more content that genuinely helps you feel better. Plus, you'll get notified whenever we release the next practical tip or step-by-step video. All right, let's get into it. Mistake number 1. Doing too much too soon. When your upper back hurts, it's natural to want quick results. You want the pain gone, now. So you might think that doing more reps, longer workouts, or harder exercises will help you heal faster. But here's the truth. Pushing your body too hard, too fast can backfire. Your back muscles need time to adjust and recover. If you overload them right away, you risk making the pain worse or even injuring yourself. Think of it like building a house. You wouldn't rush through laying the foundation. You'd want it strong and steady, or the whole house might collapse. Your body works the same way. You need to build strength gradually. Start with short sessions. Focus on slow, controlled movements. Don't worry about doing a lot. Just do a little and do it well. Over time, your muscles will get stronger and your pain will decrease. But if you rush, you might end up taking 2 steps back for every step forward. Mistake number 2. Poor posture during exercises. One of the biggest mistakes people make when trying to fix back pain is not paying attention to their posture during exercises. You may be doing exercises to help your back, but if your posture is wrong, you could actually be making the pain worse instead of better. Things like slouching, bending your neck too much, or rounding your shoulders while moving can put extra pressure on your upper back. The tricky part is that many people don't even realize they're doing it. You might think your movements are correct, but your posture could be causing more harm than good. To improve your posture, there are a few simple things you can try. Using a mirror while you exercise can help you see if your body is in the right position. Standing with your back against a wall can help you feel how your spine should be aligned. You can also record yourself while doing the exercises and watch the video to find any mistakes in your form. When you move, try to keep your head straight and in line with your spine. Let your shoulders relax and gently open your chest. At first, this might feel a little strange or uncomfortable, but it helps your muscles work the way they should and keeps your spine in a healthier position. Practicing good posture regularly can lead to better results from your exercises and less pain in your back over time. It's a simple change that can make a big difference in how your body feels and heals. Mistake number 3. Holding your breath. Many people are surprised to learn that they sometimes stop breathing without even noticing, especially when they are deeply focused or experiencing pain. It's a natural reaction, but it can actually make things worse. Our muscles need oxygen to work properly and to heal, and when we hold our breath, we limit that oxygen supply. This can cause our muscles to become tighter and more tired, and it might even raise our blood pressure. Some people feel dizzy or lightheaded when they forget to breathe during physical activity or while dealing with discomfort. That's why it's important to practice steady and gentle breathing. A good way to do this is to inhale slowly through your nose when you are getting ready to move or stretch, and then exhale softly through your mouth as you go through the motion. This small change can make a big difference. It helps your body stay calm and makes your movements feel smoother and more controlled. Breathing properly also helps you stay relaxed, which is very helpful when you're in pain. This is often called a breathing technique, and it's one of the simplest and most effective ways to support your body's healing process. Mistake number 4, skipping warm-up and cool down. A lot of people skip these steps, especially if the exercise isn't high intensity. But warming up and cooling down are essential parts of any workout, even gentle ones. Why warm up? Warming up prepares your muscles and joints. It gets your blood flowing and makes your back more flexible. Just a few minutes of light movement, like arm circles, shoulder rolls, or gentle stretches, can make a big difference. Why cool down? Cooling down helps prevent stiffness and soreness later. When you finish exercising, your muscles need a signal that it's time to relax. Slow movements, light stretching, or even just walking around gently for a few minutes can help your body recover better. Skipping these steps is like driving a car without warming up the engine or slamming the brakes without slowing down first. Your body needs a smooth transition in and out of exercise. Mistake number 5, using the wrong kind of exercises. There is a lot of advice available these days, videos, articles, and social media posts, but not every exercise is good for upper back pain. Some exercises focus on the wrong muscles or put extra pressure on your spine, which can make the pain worse. Some movements are too hard or include twisting and fast jerking motions that are not safe for your back. That's why it's important to be careful and choose the right exercises. When looking for exercises to help with upper back pain, try to find ones that gently stretch tight muscles. These help your body relax and move better. Also, choose movements that make the muscles around your upper back, neck, and shoulders stronger. Strong muscles give better support and help reduce pain. Always avoid exercises that feel sharp, painful, or uncomfortable. If something doesn't feel right, stop right away. Check your posture and form. Try changing the movement or ask a professional for help. The main goal is to feel better, not worse. Everyone's body is different, so an exercise that works well for someone else might not be good for you. Listen to your body and take care of it. Doing the right exercises in the right way can help you heal and feel stronger over time. Mistake number 6, not listening to your body. This sounds simple, but it's one of the most common mistakes. We often think pain means we need to push through, but pain is actually your body's way of saying something isn't right. A little soreness is okay. It means your muscles are working. But sharp pain, tingling, numbness, or increased discomfort is not okay. If you feel worse after exercising, that's a red flag. Your body is always talking to you. You just need to learn how to listen. Take breaks when needed. Slow down. Don't compare yourself to others. Your healing path is your own, and going slow is often the fastest way to real recovery. Mistake number 7, not being consistent. Doing exercises once or twice and expecting results is like brushing your teeth once and expecting a perfect smile. Your body needs regular movement to get stronger and more flexible. That doesn't mean you need to work out every day. Even a few times a week, if done consistently, can bring real results over time. Set a schedule that works for you. Stick with it. Track your progress. Celebrate small wins. Consistency builds habits, and habits lead to healing. You'll be surprised how much progress you can make just by showing up regularly. Bonus tip: supporting recovery. Outside of exercise, getting relief from back pain is not only about doing the right exercises. Your body also needs rest, water, sleep, and healthy food to heal properly. These things help your body recover and feel better faster. When you take care of your whole body, your back pain can improve more quickly and stay away longer. Here are some simple ways to support your recovery. First, drink plenty of water every day. Staying hydrated helps your muscles stay soft and flexible, and it can also lower swelling and pain. Next, Eat balanced meals with fruits, vegetables, lean proteins, and whole grains. Your body needs good nutrients to fix damaged tissues and reduce pain. Getting enough sleep is also very important. Try to sleep for 7 to 9 hours each night because your body does most of its healing while you rest. If you smoke, quitting can help your body heal faster by improving blood flow. Smoking makes it harder for your body to recover. Also, try to lower your stress. Stress can make your muscles tight and increase pain. You can use simple relaxation methods like deep breathing, short breaks, or calming activities to help your body relax. All these things, rest, water, food, sleep, and stress control, work together with your exercises. Think of them as your healing team. When you support your body in many ways, you give it the best chance to heal well and feel strong again. If you found any of these tips helpful, or if you realized you've been making one or two of these mistakes, don't worry, you're not alone. Most people start out making these errors. The important thing is that now you know what to do differently. We hope this guide helped point you in a better direction. If you still have questions or want to make sure you're on the right track, give us a call for a free second opinion. Or visit our website for more tips, videos, and information. We're here to help you feel better and move forward with confidence. You don't have to figure this out alone. And you deserve to feel better. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe so you never miss a helpful tip. See you in the next video.